In this video, I'll show you how to get Spotify Premium without your credit card. Alright, so here we are in Spotify and all you need to do is click on the Premium button. And then we want to choose what plan we want. So I'll go with individual. And then you want to click on Continue with Spotify. Now in here, you have the option to use carrier billing, which will pay through your mobile network provider. Alternatively, if you buy a gift card, you can click on Google Play instead of Spotify, then click on Continue with Google Play. Then you want to click on the section where it shows my card, and in here you can click on Redeem Code. And then you can enter your code or scan the gift card. Another alternative, if we go back once, you can click on Add to PayPal, and that'll allow you to pay using PayPal instead. And those are all of your options, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.